This is the assembly video for the American-style BT15 base trash cabinet. The cabinet body, drawer glides, and hardware are in the U-box, and the cabinet frame, door, and drawer face are in the other. The U-box comes with the side panels, back panel, trash housing unit, hardware box, shelf, the front shelf panel, second shelf, drawer box, the trash unit side panels, kickboard, and drawer glides. Start by laying down the frame face down on a cloth or shipping blanket. Install the cam lock screws to the pre-drilled holes of the frame. Slide the side panels into the frame's cam lock screws. Place dowels and install the bottom and middle strength panels. Now, screw through the side panels into the middle and bottom strength panel. Slide the back panel into the grooves of the side panels and ensure your pieces are flush. Tighten the cam lock screws on the other side now. Screw the toe kick to the notch section of the cabinet bottom. And now for the waste unit. Screw cam lock screws into each smaller pre-drilled hole and insert dowels into the larger one. Place the drawer box as such and then tighten the cam locks. Screw through the back panel into each side panel. Place dowels in the front panel and install the drawer box to the front panel. Screw through the front panel into the drawer box. Now to install the drawer glides. Place the glides so the third hole at the front and back of the glide lines up with the pre-drilled holes of the side panel. Install the glides through these holes. Now for the top drawer glides, done exactly the same. Open the adjustment dials on the glides as you install. These can be adjusted later to move your cabinet up and down. Now attach the door face to the trash unit. Make sure it's installed square and centered to the trash unit. Then, using a countersink drill bit, pre-drill through the trash unit and attach it using screws. Now do the same for the top drawer. Center the drawer. Use a countersink drill bit and screw it together. Join the drawer panels using a mallet, attaching the dovetailed drawer boxes to the top drawer face through the dovetail joint, including the bottom drawer panel. Now install your drawers, inserting this hook into the pre-drilled holes. Then, from below, screw the drawer glides to the drawer box. And now do the same for the waste unit. And we're done. One American-style BT15 base trash cabinet ready for installation.